In this video, we'll be talking about Credit Suisse's top 4 stock picks for 2019. Now, for those of you who do not know, Credit Suisse is a global financial behemoth and its investment picks are ones we should consider for our own watch list. Please watch this video to know more. Now, the first stock on the list is Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, which is available at Rs 69.85 and the face value for it is 2. The symbol for it is BHEL. Now, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited is an engineering and manufacturing company. As is evident from the 1-year chart, the company has been a dog of stock and a lot of wealth has been eroded here. The company is a large cap with a market capitalization of 25,644.73 crores. The EPS of 8.50 translates into a dirt cheap price to earnings ratio of 8.30 when compared with the industry PE of 19.39. The price to book ratio of 0.8010 is also very cheap. The company has a dividend yield of 2.61%, whereas the promoter holding here is a strong number at 63.06%. Now, the second stock on the list is State Bank of India, which is available at Rs 291.90 and the face value for it is 1. The symbol for it is SPIN. Now, State Bank of India provides a range of products and services to personal, commercial enterprises, large corporates, public bodies and institutional customers. As is evident from the 1-year chart, the company has been on a choppy ride and no major wealth has been created here. The company is a large cap with a market capitalization of 2,60,508.71 crores. The company is also not making any profits and hence the EPS and price to earnings ratio are not applicable here. The company is available at a price to book ratio of 1.34, which is not wildly expensive. The debt to equity ratio is 1.4803, whereas the return on equity is minus 0.0555, which is because the company is not making profits as of now. The company is also not paying out any dividends as a result of it being in losses. The promoter holding is 58.51%. The third stock on the list is ICICI Bank Limited, which is available at 354.20 and the face value for it is 2. The symbol for it is ICICI BANK. Now, ICICI Bank Limited is a banking company. Over the last 1 year, when stocks have been falling 99 pence, this company has not really underperformed the markets. The company is a large cap with a market capitalization of 2,28,095.52 crores. The EPS of 5.37 translates into a very expensive price to earnings ratio of 65.96 when compared with the industry PE of 33.94. The price to book ratio of 2.23 is, however, not very expensive. The company has a dividend yield of 0.42%, whereas the original promoters of the company don't hold any stake. Now, the final stock on the list is Larsen Toubro Limited, which is available at Rs 1420 and the face value for it is 2. Now, Larsen Toubro Limited is a technology, engineering, construction, manufacturing and financial services company. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, the company has been choppy throughout the entire year. The company has a market cap of 1,99,115.28 crores. The EPS of 45.16 translates into a slightly expensive price to earnings ratio of 31.44 when compared with the industry PE of 24. The price to book ratio of 4.06 is also slightly on the higher side. The company has a dividend yield of 1.13, whereas the initial promoters of the company don't hold stake any further. Now, friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all of the content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.